Okay, that's the outside. So up the top I've got water storage, and then we come around to the back. It's a little bit messy because I've just got home, but this is where we walk in. So up there I've got hot water service, shower, go upstairs, and then I've got, that's where my dog sleeps. This is where I sit. I've got my laptop. And we come around, I've got my TV. Up there I've got my oven. Behind the door I've got the fridge. There's the fridge. So that's inside the fridge. And then over here I've got my kitchen. There's my mirror, sink, dirty dishes, and then up here, I don't know if you can see, but I pull this down, oops, and that's my bed up there. It's a bit messy, and then I've got my bookcase up there. Behind this door I've got wardrobe. It's got all my clothes, and then drawers, and then down here that's all my dishes in there. Yeah, and my doors at the back, and they open up. Oh, this is terrible photography. But yeah, and there's my dog. Okay.